All right, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Coach Micheal Burt. Whew. What time is it, Brian? 7:56. 7:56 on Wednesday morning. Good workout, man. Brian almost killed me. It's my new body man right there. Now, I got a quick message for you. And the message is simple, okay? There's levels to success. And I remember asking Cardone once, what's the difference between a millionaire and a multimillionaire? And he said, the difference between a millionaire and a multimillionaire, are we talking about between 1 and 2 million? Are we talking about between 1 and 20 million? Because there's a significant difference between 1 million, Tommy Davidson, and 20 million, right? Like I wrote a book, I was looking at it last night at the lodge called Single Digit Millionaire, and it was how you get to be worth between $1 and $10 million. Okay, Vinny, you're my man, thank you. It was about how do you get between worth 1 and 10 million, but then you want to go to a double digit millionaire, right? Where you're worth 10 to 20 million. I was thinking about it this morning because I just did a workout and I burned more calories in about 25 minutes than I typically do in a 40, 50-minute workout. Why? More intense. I was exhausted. I was laying out on the floor when I was finished, but then I thought, that's a new level, right? So in life, we're looking to get another level. So the first way is to look at the level you're currently at and go, I am dissatisfied with this level. I may be grateful. I'm not where I used to be. Thank God I'm not where I used to be, but I'm not where I want to be. So I'm at level 1. I'm at level 2. I'm at level 3. See, the only reason we use money as an indicator because it's a measurement tool. It's just an easy way to measure. So on the other side of this effort that you're going to put in to get to another level, Amanda Beener, is a deeper intimacy with your potential. So here's what I'm saying to you. I feel better about my workout today than I have in a long time. Why? I went harder, more intense, and I was more exhausted. On the other side of that discomfort, I have a deeper intimacy with my potential because I exerted. So remember this term, psychological flexibility. It's where you move forward with something even when you're feeling discomfort. Okay, so we just want to ask yourself a simple question this morning. What level are you operating at? Because see, I'm going to go back and rewrite the book Single Digit Millionaire to Double Digit Millionaire because I've reached double digits now. And I didn't even think about hitting double digits. I didn't set out to set double digits. I just kept pushing. Well, then it's like, all right, that's a good level. How do we get to this level? And this is just the activator of your prey drive. If you don't want to go to another level, then your prey drive is never activated. The prey drive is only activated when you want something. Psychological flexibility is when I move forward, even in discomfort, but here's the reward. The reward is on the other side of that discomfort is a better prize. And you got to keep going. You got to keep running until you get the prize. So pay attention to what I'm going to be doing the next couple days. Something big's happening Memorial Day, starting tomorrow, Memorial Day weekend, big. If you've ever wanted to do something with me, you've been hesitant, you've been scared, you've been sitting on the fence, you're not going to want to over the next couple days. Trust me. All right, so let's make it a great day. On the other side of conflict, on the other side of work, is a deeper intimacy with your potential. Let's go. See, I can't tell you how many people I talk to in a day, and my team talks to in a day, says, you know what, I just want to do it, but I just don't have the money, coach. Listen to what I'm about to tell you. You'll never have the money until you get the skills. The skills is where the money comes from. Everybody with me? I started getting coaching when I was 18 years old. I had business coaches and mentors, and from the time I was 18 till right now at 46, I have coaches right now coaching me. Why? Because I need to skill up. See, if I tell an agent I want to do stadium tours, they may come back to me and say, man, you got to get better at this thing. Okay? You got to get better at this. Okay, good. How much is that going to cost for me to get better at that? Okay, this. Okay, I got to hire this coach. You need to hire an acting coach. Okay, great. I need that coach. She's this much. Okay, good. I don't ever want money to keep me from pursuing my dreams ever. So cash confidence is a concept Sullivan had
that change everything that I try to teach people, which is you have a certain knowledge, okay? You have a certain attitude. You have certain skills, and you have certain habits. That spells cash, K-A-S-H. You have certain knowledge, you have certain skills, you have certain attitudes, and you have certain habits. You use this knowledge and this attitude and these skills and these habits to help me solve my problem, or help me with my ambitions. And anytime you are struggling with money, quit thinking about you and think about who you can help reach their goals.